Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this 3-in-1 adapter. Now, this is the adapter right here, and in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this adapter and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, first off, this adapter pretty much is comprised of this little box section here, and then one single USB-C cable coming out of the top there. Now, if we take a look at the box here, there are 3 ports on this adapter. You'll find your USB-C port on the right there, your HDMI port here in the middle, and then your USB-A port on the left there. Now, one thing that I did want to note is they have this little tag on here to remind you that you'll need to go ahead and add a power supply and plug in the power connector cable to this right USB-C port here. Now, I also wanted to mention that they did include, I really wasn't expecting this, but a USB thumb drive. It's a USB-A thumb drive here, and they say it's for firmware upgrades. So if you do need to go ahead and upgrade the firmware of this unit, they do include that USB thumb drive, which is really nice. This unit typically is designed for a certain type of gaming console, so just make sure that you have the correct version of that gaming console for this adapter. But overall, I've been really impressed with it. I think it's really nice and high quality, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.